Hello everyone, it's been a long time I did a video. So today we'll see basics of units that will be asked in competitive exams. So under units, we'll see the conversions that we need, the data of conversion that we need in order to solve the questions that are given in exams. Example, units of length. In length, basic units that generally they give are meter, um, feet, then centimeter, millimeter, and etc. So in length, just to give you an example so that it would be always easy for you to remember and it would be easy for you to recollect in your exam hall too. Um, for a for converting feet to centimeter, 1 meter, or one, let's take 1 feet. 1 feet would be your long size scale. You must have used scales in your school days. So there are like one small scale and one long scale. Small scale is of 15 centimeters generally, and long scale is of 30 centimeter. So this 30 centimeter scale is actually length of 1 feet. So 1 feet is actually 30.45 centimeter. Just for you to remember, at least to know it an average value, remember it as 1 feet is 30 centimeter long scale. Fine. Then 1 meter is 100 centimeter. This you will have to remember. Then 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. These are basic units that you need to know in order to convert later on, because in the competitive exams they will not just give the numbers in your hand. They will purposely twist it in different units so that even under the exam pressure you will have to convert all this in one common unit and then try to solve it. So this is for length, and I have seen students struggling for converting kg to meter cube too. So in with respect to meters, if length is given as meters, length is in meter, then area are in meter square, and volume would be in meter cube. I think this is basic. And in if it is in volume is in meter cube and you have to convert into kg, we for default take water as an example. So for how much kg is 1 meter cube, how much kg would be accommodated in 1 meter cube? So just to give you a visualization, this if you can consider all 1 meter side, so this would become a 1 meter cube volume. Consider this as a box. So in this 1 meter cube volume box, how much liter could be accommodated, or how much kg could be accommodated? So generally we consider for water it is 1000 kg per meter cube, 1000 kg per meter cube. And in with respect to kg, 1 liter could be taken as 1 kg for water. So if in a question, if you are given 1 liter and to convert into kg, you directly take it as kg itself. But in case if you are given for convert into, I mean, how much liter can a 1 meter cube can hold? That is 1000 liters. Okay, this I wanted to clarify to many people because not everybody have this access to know this information. So I'm just mm, clarifying it. And I spoke about length, area, volume. Okay, I think this would be enough um, for the starting class.